Good morning, dear student. I am Mandeep Sani and today I am here with the lesson number 20 of your English grammar book. The name of the lesson is conjunction. In this lesson, I will tell you about the uses of conjunction and where we can apply these conjunctions, right? So let's start. Use and to join each pair of sentences. First, here we are seeing two sentences and with the help of and we have to join these two sentences, right? So first one is the room was neat, the room was tidy, right? Here are two sentences and we have to combine these sentences with the help of and conjunction. So the sentence is the room was neat and tidy, right? So what is the sentence now? The room was neat and tidy, right? Number second is my grandfather is kind, my grandfather is generous. Here you are seeing two sentences in a one row and we have to combine these two sentences with the help of and we have to remove the extra words from the sentences also. My grandfather is kind and generous, right? I have picked this word from here and I have removed these two words, right? My grandfather is kind and generous. I have used and conjunction here, right? Number 3 is the old man sat in the chair, the old man fell asleep, right? Now what we will write here, the old man sat in the chair and fell asleep, right? I have joined these two sentences with the help of and conjunction, right? Number 4 is it is a cold day, it is a wet day. Now I will join these two sentences with the help of and. It is a cold and wet day, right? I have removed it is a, right? Because it is because we can't repeat it is twicely. So I have removed these three words, right? It is a cold day, it is a wet day. It is a cold and wet day, right? Number 5 is I got up early in the morning, I went for a walk. I got up early in the morning and went for a walk, right? I have removed I from here because I have also used I in the starting. So I have removed I here. Number 6 is the doctor put medicine on my wound, the nurse put a bandage on it. Now these are two sentences, right? And we have to combine these two sentences in a one sentence with the help of conjunction. And now we will apply and between two sentences and we will join these two sentences and create one sentence. The doctor put medicine on my wound and the nurse put a bandage on it, right? Number 7 is she switched on the television. She switched on the television. She watched her favorite program, right? Here I have used pronoun and here is also pronoun. But when we create one single sentence, then we will remove one pronoun, right? Because we have already written one pronoun when we start the sentence. She switched her television, she switched on the television and watched her favorite program, right? I have applied and here as a conjunction. She switched on the television and watched her favorite program, right? I have removed one pronoun, right? I have used here single pronoun. 8 number is our dog is brave, our dog is strong. Now here are two lines that are similar with each other but the last part is not matching with each other, right? Here is a brave and here is a strong. And so we have to remove these three words from here. So what the sentence is? Our dog is brave and strong, right? I have removed these three words. Our dog is brave, our dog is strong. Now the sentence is, when we applied conjunction, what will be the sentences? Our sentence is, our dog is brave and strong, right? Number 9 is, I ate the fruit, I ate the vegetables. Now again the sentences are similar. what we will do? We have to join these two sentences with the help of conjunction. And we are going to apply and here. I ate the fruits and the vegetables, right? I ate the fruits and the vegetables. I have removed these two words because these two words are again similar with the first these two words, right? So I have removed these two words and I have applied and here. I ate the fruits and vegetables, right? Number 10 is Anne came to my party, Harjeet came to my party, right? So now the last words are similar, right? So the names are different. So what we will do? We will combine these two names with the help of and conjunction and we will write these words after these two names, right? Anne and Harjeet. I have applied conjunction and here between two names. Anne and Harjeet came to my party, right? Anne and Harjeet came to my party. Number B part is use what to join each pair of sentences. Now we in the first part we were applying and, but now we have to apply what as a conjunction between the sentences, right? So first one is Chintan was tired, Chintan continued to do his work. Now what we will do? We will combine these two sentences with the help of what conjunction, right? Chintan was tired but continued to do his work. I have removed Chintan noun from here, right? Because I have already written Chintan firstly in the starting of the sentence, so I have removed Chintan from here. I have used what conjunction here? Chintan was tired but continued to do his work, right? Number second is Mr. Rahman is strict, Mr. Rahman is kind, right? Now I am going to join these two sentences with the help of what? Answer is Mr. Rahman is strict but kind, right? Mr. Rahman is strict but kind, right? I have removed Mr. Rahman from here because I have already written Mr. Rahman in the starting of the sentence, right? Mr. Rahman is strict but kind. Number 3 is the king had everything, the king was not happy, right? Now in this sentence we also have to remove the king here because I have already written the king here, so I have to remove the king from here and I will apply what conjunction here. To combine these two sentences I have to use what conjunction here, right? The king had everything, the king was not happy. The king had everything but not happy, right? The king had everything but not happy. Number 4 is she is slow, she is careful, right? Now you are seeing the two pronouns in each sentence, right? When we combine these two sentences, we have to ignore one she which has been used as a pronoun, so we have to ignore one she here. So I will take one she here. She is slow but careful, right? She is slow but careful. Understood? Number 5 is Number 5 is Minal did her homework, Minal did not bring her notebook, right? Now you are saying two names in each sentence, right? Now I will remove one name from here, right? And I have removed one name from here and I have applied what conjunction here? The sentence is Minal did her homework but did not bring her book, right? Number 6 is the man is poor, the man will not beg, right? Now the man, right? The man is also here, the man is also here. To create one sentence, to create single sentence, firstly I have to join these two sentences with the help of what conjunction, right? And secondly I have to remove these two words from here. Now the sentence is The man is poor but will not beg. I have removed these two words from here, right? The sentence is, the man is poor, the man will not beg. Answer is, the man is poor but will not beg, right? Number 7 is, Jaya is intelligent, Jaya is careless. Now you are saying Jaya is also here, Jaya is also here. Jaya, Jaya is similar in both sentences, but the last two words are quite different from each other. So I have removed Jaya from here because I have already written Jaya in the starting. So there is no need to write Jaya again in the sentence. I have applied what as a conjunction here to join these two sentences, right? Jaya is intelligent, Jaya is careless. Answer is, Jaya is intelligent but careless, right? Number 8 is, my grandmother is old, my grandmother is healthy, right? Now you are saying my grandmother here, my grandmother here, right? These two words are similar with each other, but the last words are quite different. So what we will do now? Answer is, my grandmother is old but healthy, right? I have removed one grandmother from here and I have applied one conjunction here, that is what, right? Answer is, my grandmother is old but healthy. Number 9 is, this bag is heavy, I can carry it. Answer is, this bag is heavy but I can carry it, right? I have applied what conjunction here? Number 10 is, this snake is small, this snake is dangerous, right? This snake is similar with each other, but the last words are quite different. Now I will remove these three words, this snake is, right? I will apply conjunction here because I want to join these two sentences and I want to create one sentence, right? So the sentence is, the snake is small but dangerous, right? Now dear student, we will move towards our C part. Use or to join these sentences. First is, you can take up painting, you can take up singing, right? Now you are saying the first four words are similar with the second line, right? And the last words are quite different. So what we will do, let's see. You can take up painting or singing. I have removed these four words to create one sentence with the help of conjunction. You have to remove these four words, right? So I have used or here. I have removed these four words because these are similar with the first sentence. You can take up painting or singing, right? Number 2 is, you can have a cookie, you can have a pastry, you cannot have both. Now what we will write here? You are saying that you can have a cookie, you can have a pastry. Now these two are similar and now I will remove you can have from here, right? And I will use conjunction here. You can have a cookie or pastry or cannot have both, right? Number 3 is, are you in class first or are you in class second? Now what we will do here? We have to remove are you, right? Are you in? Because are you in is similar with the first one, right? So the last words are different. Are you in class first or class second, right? Number 4 is, do you want a small toy? Do you want a big toy? Now we will join these two sentences with the help of or conjunction. Now what is the sentence? The sentence is, do you want a small toy or big toy? Number 5 is, do you like green? Do you like blue? I am going to join these two sentences with the help of or conjunction. Now what is the sentence? What is a single sentence? The sentence is, do you like green or blue? Number 6 is, are the mangoes sweet? Are the mangoes sour? Now the sentence is, are the mangoes sweet or sour? Because are the mangoes are similar with each other and the last words are different. So I have removed are the mangoes from the second sentence, right? And I have joined I have joined these two sentences with the help of or. Are the mango sweet or sour? Number 7 is, have you been to Rome? Have you been to Paris? Now the sentence is, have you been to Rome or Paris? Because have you been is a similar. I have removed have you been from here and I have put or conjunction here, right? Have you been to Rome or Paris? Number 8 is, you must have medicine, you must have fruits. You must have medicine or fruits, right? You must have. Similar. I have removed these words from here and I have used or conjunction here to join these two sentences. You must have medicine or fruits. Number 9 is, do you like dogs? Do you like cats? Now I am going to create one sentence with the help of these, with the help of conjunction, right? Do you like dogs or cats, right? Do you like dogs or cats? I have removed do you like again here because I have already written here in the starting of the sentence, do you like? Now there is no need to write again do you like, right? So I have used or conjunction here. Do you like dogs or cats? Understood? Number 10 is, please give me some cheese. Please give me some butter, right? Now, what is the sentence? Please give me some cheese or butter, right? Because please give me, I have already written please give me in the starting of the sentence. There is no need to write this word again, okay? Now we are going to join these two sentences with the help of conjunction. Our conjunction is or, right? So the sentence is, please give me some cheese or butter, right? So that's all about our conjunction, our lesson number 20. I hope you have understood this lesson. Till then, take care. Bye-bye, little champs.